Welcome back to another enlightening tutorial series with cross-sell and upsell. Today, we will learn how to assign cross-sells to your homepage. From the dashboard, click on Assign tab and scroll to the Homepage section where you will see two types of cross-sells you can display: the cross-sells and the upsells. First, you need to enable the cross-sells or upsells, then click on the Assign button. Under the Global Collection Products section, click on Assign Global Homepage button and select the products that you prefer. When finished, click on the Add button. Under the display options, you are able to set the header of the cross-sells and also set the number of cross-sells you want to display. Here is an example of how it will look on the homepage. See how effortless it is? Dive into the world of cross-selling and upselling by installing our app. We also offer demos to help assist you. Book yours today.